Welcome to our educational channel. From class 5, the chapter number 12 is Basic Geometrical Concepts. So in grade 5, just only the basics concepts what you should learn to improve the basic skills in maths, especially in this geometry. So I'll explain. I'm giving some questions, worksheets in the link in description below. You can get the PDF from that, right? First of all, the thing is you should know how to construct the line segment with given length. So just I'll show one diagram and with example, you can take your scale and practice on the paper. So line segments, for example, 4.5 centimeters. So many of you know the scale, right? If you want 4.5 centimeters, here is 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So between every centimeter there is 10 small lines. You can check in your scale. So if you want to construct 4.5 centimeter, we have to start from the 0 dot. So not from the 1. So many of you are getting confusing starting directly with 1. So you have to start from the 0. 4.5, no, till it is 4. Between 4 and 5, 4.5. So this is. Now you can remove the scale and just keep the marking AB. So this is a 4.5 centimeters line. So depending on the scale. Just with one more example I'll show you. 6.3. So you have to start from the 0. So this is 0. Some scales they'll mention the symbol, some are not mentioned. So here till is 1 centimeter. So from here till 6, after 6 next to third millimeter, third one. After 6, third line is 6.3. So 6.3 centimeters. So this is 4.5 centimeters. Like that, using scale I am giving some numbers you can practice. Okay, that is the using the scale how to draw. Again, if the line segment is given also, in case if any line is given, you need to find out the measure. So you can take the scale and keep it from the 0, then you can count 1 2 3 4 5. How many are there? So this 1 2 3 4 5 6. In after 5, if it is fourth line means it is nothing but 5.4 centimeters. Okay, using scale you should draw the line segments. Again, if the line segment is given, measure the distance. So those two should perfect in this, right? Again, one more regarding the protractor. So if you notice the protractor, I will show the protractors. In this, down is the baseline. Okay, this is the baseline, the center place to measure the angle. So for example, if you take the two line segments, okay, these are the two rays, this is the center place. If you want to measure this angle how much it is, so you need to, this protractor should be replaced on this. I'll show you the diagram. This is actually the baseline. Let be A and B, keeping this is A and B. So baseline should be focus here, A. Next, this B, if it is where it is focusing. Now, for example, this is B. Okay, this protractor I am replacing in this. Now you can measure. So this is the one should be at baseline. Compulsory in these two rays, one should be on the baseline. Now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. In between 40 and 50 it is. So 45 degrees. Because if you take this is the base and we are counting towards right side, so this is the baseline is 0, so 10 20 30 40. So don't count is 130 140, between 135 is there, it's not. We have to check the baseline. So depending on the baseline only you have to check. For example, same protractor, previous one you can observe. Now this is the baseline. Now one baseline is here. Now if you are marking, this is the baseline and one more line came in this place. Now this is the baseline is at 0, no, towards left side it is. Okay, that means from this left towards right, this is opposite. So where is the baseline? That is the 0, and from there 10 20 30 40 you have to count 90 100 110 120 between this. So 125 degrees, this is 125 degrees. So remember, so don't simply choose the two numbers, because in both the in any protractor you have right to left and left to right. So baseline is left side counting towards right side. So that line you can take. Which is the baseline? that 0 only you have to treat as the starting initial place. Okay, let us take one more example. Where is the baseline you're taking? That is the initial point. Initial is 0. Now this is after measuring we got. Compulsory take one of the baseline must be at 0. Remember. Now baseline is at 0 is here. So this 0 line only you have to count. Either left to right or right to left. Only two cases. So baseline is at right side. You can count right side 0 only. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 degrees, right? These are the important things you need to practice to measure the angle with protractor and line segment using the scale. Okay, these two things you practice. I'm giving some worksheet questions in the link in description below, giving some angle problems. So you can take your protractor and just measure and practice in that.